In this video, I'll show you how to make a logo on Canva quickly and easily. First, it's a good idea to prepare your brand kit if you have Canva Pro. This lets you save your brand colors, fonts, and logos in one place for easy access. Just log in, click on Brand in the left menu, then create a new brand kit by uploading your color codes and brand fonts. You can also add your logos or images if needed. Once that's ready, go to the top right corner of Canva and click Create a Design, then select Logo from the options. This opens up a blank canvas where you can start working on your design. On the left side, you'll see a large library of logo templates. Use the search bar to find one that matches your business or theme. For example, you might type coffee. If you're making a cafe logo, browse the results and pick a design you like. Some templates even have multiple style versions, like light and dark modes. Click on the template you want, and it will load into your design area. Now it's time to customize it. Start by clicking on the text to replace the default name with your own brand name. You can change the font by selecting one from your brand kit or choosing a new style from Canva's font options. If you want to add more text, just click Text from the left menu and choose a heading or subheading. Next, customize the colors to match your brand. Click on any element and choose a new color from your palette or enter a specific hex code. If the logo includes graphics or icons, you can swap them out too. Just click the element and use Canva's elements. Tab to search for a new image or shape. Once your logo looks just the way you want, make sure everything is aligned and visually balanced. Then click Share or Download at the top right to export your logo as a PNG, JPG, or even SVG if you're using Canva Pro. That's it. You now have a clean, professional logo made in Canva, ready to use for your website, social media, or branding materials. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more useful content like this.